Today I'm gonna share with you a different way of cooking carrots. If you don't like the original flavor of carrots like me, try to stir-fry them with potatoes. Prepare 2 medium-sized potatoes. Peel the skin off using whatever tool you have. Prepare 2 medium to large-sized carrots. Also peel the skin off. Have the peeled and washed potatoes and the carrots ready. The next step is to shred the potatoes and the carrots into a pot. This is the most tedious step for me, but it's a necessary step to get the final better taste. If you don't have the shredding tool, you may cut them into slices as well. Get 4 or 5 cloves of garlic with the peel removed and slice them until it's minced. First, smash the garlic cloves before you slice them. It will make it easier for you to mince the garlic. Put the minced garlic into a small bowl for later use. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil into the high-heat cooking pot. I use avocado oil. You can replace with other high-heat cooking oil. When the oil is hot, pour the minced garlic into the pot. Sauté for 30 seconds. Then pour the shredded potatoes and carrots into the hot pot. Stir-fry them a little bit. Then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir-fry the potatoes and the carrots until they are mixed well with the soy sauce and garlic. Cover the pot and simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, stir-fry the food again. If your pot gets too dry, you can add a small amount of water to make sure the food doesn't get burned. Put the lid back again and simmer for another 7 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. If you like spicy taste, you can add a little Sriracha Hot Sauce. I personally love the flavor of this sauce in it. Lastly, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on your taste. Then stir-fry well. Put the food into the plate. Now the dish is ready. It's time to enjoy the large plate. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you next time.